Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be going to discuss about data-driven testing using JSON file and Bruno CLI. First, I will go through the description. If you need to run a collection using data from a JSON file, specify the path to the file with the --JSON file path option. So this is the command you have to use if you want to execute the collection using the JSON file and the Bruno CLI. So I will be showing the execution of these commands during the demo. This is the second command you have to use in order to run the collection from the command line using Bruno CLI by specifying the JSON file. So here I have given ---- output flag as well and the file name for the HTML and ---- format HTML. This will generating the report inside the collection. So I have also added one note here. For open source users, this feature is only possible using Bruno CLI. No option is available using the collection runner. So this data-driven testing feature is available only through Bruno CLI for open source users. That's the point to be noted. Now I am going straight to the demo. I have opened Bruno already. I have created a collection called data-driven testing JSON. So I have created one request called create user using JSON file. This particular API is supporting HTTP method post. There is a body here. You can see a key, name and job, and its corresponding value will be provided from the JSON. I will be showing the JSON which I have added in the collection. I have already opened this collection in file system. I will just show that. This is the API request and this is the data. I have already opened this JSON file inside Notepad++. So I have stored this file inside the collection itself. So this is the content of the JSON file. You can see this is an array. There is 3 sets of data. You can see the name value and job value. You have to make sure this name value and job value should be the same as that of mentioned in this payload. So during the execution, 3 sets of data will be provided to the single request. So I will be executing the collection from the command line now. So I am opening command line from this location. First I am executing using the Bruno CLI. I am copying the command from here. I will be sharing this description in the video description as well, so that everyone can copy paste while execution. And also I will be uploading these files into the GitHub repository as well. I am now going to execute the collection. So this is the command. Since there are 3 sets of data, execution will be happening 3 times. This is the iteration 1. You can see iteration 2, iteration 3. So you can see the result. I have added one assertion for the request as well. I will show that as well. So you can see I have given a basic assertion for status code. So that's why in the summary you can see assertion as 1 passed. Now we are going to generate the HTML report. For that we have to use another command. So this is the command. I am again executing from command line. You can see the log like wrote HTML result to result.html. There will be a file result.html in our collection location. This file was not there earlier. After this execution, this particular file has got generated. Now I will be opening this particular file in browser. By default, this report will be opening in the light mode. I am switching that to dark mode. You can see the total request count, those details here. So there were 3 iterations that is also mentioned in this report. This is a summary tab. Now I am moving to the request tab. You can see details of each request and data which was used during the execution. You can see the first set of data here, and also we can see the assertion details. Since there were no tests, that is not mentioned here. If you add the test details, that will be displayed here in this section. So similarly, this is iteration 2 details. You can see the data passed and other details. So this is how we can make use of data driven testing using JSON and Bruno CLI. So I hope this video was very useful for everyone. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.